In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade in Metatrader 5, both buy and sell along with setting your stop loss and take profit. Whether you're a complete beginner using the MT5 demo account, or you simply want to learn how to place trades confidently without making mistakes, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your MT5 app and look for EUR or USD in your quotes list. Once you find it, press and hold on the pair Yes, and then tap Chart. Now the EUR or USD chart will open, and this is where you choose the exact point where you want to enter your buy trade. Take a second, look at the market, ask yourself, is this where I want to buy? Once you're ready, tap the plus icon on the top right. Now you'll see the order screen. Here you need to choose your lot size. This part is important because the lot size decides how much money you're trading, so choose it carefully. After selecting your lot size, tap the buy button, and just like that, your EUR or USD buy trade is now active. Exciting, right? Now let's secure this trade with a stop loss. Look at the chart and decide where you want your stop loss to be. Let's say you want it at this point. Stop loss simply means that if the market hits that price, MT5 will close your trade automatically to protect you. Super helpful. Now tap Trade, press and hold on your EUR or USD trade, and choose Modify Position. In the stop loss box, type this point, hit Modify, and you're done. Go back to your chart, look at that. Your stop loss line is now visible. Next, let's set your take profit. Maybe you want to secure profit at this point. Perfect. Just repeat the process, open the Trade tab, press and hold the EUR or USD trade, tap Modify Position, and in the TP box type this point. Tap Modify and your take profit line will appear on the chart. Isn't that smooth? A few quick tips while we're here. Always double check your lot size before tapping buy. Always review the chart before setting SL and TP, and ask yourself, is this level safe, or is this level realistic? Using a demo account first is always a smart move, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to place buy and sell trades in MT5 easily, with proper stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with other beginner traders. Why not make someone's trading journey easier?